Hello viewers, welcome back. So you can find, you can know that what is an UCSSL certificate. So you can find that in link in the description box. Just what is an UCSSL certificate? Uh, you find this website all the details, all the meanings of UCSSL certificate fully understand. Okay, so the link in the provide description box, you can click the link and you reach this site. You reach this website. So just a minute, loading this website. So this link enter and reach this website ssl.reviews. uh, I was already reviewed this website many times on my YouTube channel. You can find that my YouTube channel SSL reviews on YouTube. This link, click this, and after you see this, what is that UCSL certificate, full details in the page provided. uh, you can read this, what is an UCSL certificate. uh, a UCSL certificate is an SSL certificate that can protect all of your domains on a shared server using a single certificate. You can have 5 or more domains protected using this UCSL certificate without having the needed to purchase individual certificates that could cost a lot. Understand? Unified Communication Certificate means of UCC are SSL certificates that secure multiple domains and multiple host names within a domain, one domain and multiple hosting. Okay, they allow you to secure a primary domain and up to 99 additional subject alternative names in a single certificate. You can understand this content, uh, many valuable content. You all the details find this article. Okay, I continue the reading. The defining feature and really the only thing that makes a UCSSL certificate different from a normal certificate is the UC of the subject alternative name field in the certificate. Okay, in the subject alternative name field, or SAN for short, any number of different domain names or common names can be entered, enabling the certificate to work on any of the included domain names. This allows a certificate to secure both internal network names as well as external domain names. When you buy UCSL certificate, you ensure that transaction on your website remains safe by UCSSL certificate to ensure you get the most out of your business. Okay, then buy UCSL certificate to make your business work. When you buy UCSL certificate, you ensure the security and safety of visitors to your websites and helps establish your company's credit over a period of time. This puts your brand and product on a higher pedestal than your competitors, so who might not be willing to invest in a reliable UCA as the certificate. You can follow this look, our website, just ssl.reviews, just enter, and loading time, you can see the loading time, just a second. Okay, just some second. These features, these loading features, but these sites slow or fast, it's very matter of site SEO. Okay, uh, if your website is speed very low, so you will not any time to rank in Google. Okay, I hope you understand. This website is very and very SEO friendly and important. Okay, So power their online presence by SSL certificate. You can read these all articles. You find the value of UC SSL certificate. You want to many article, many content, SSL certificate, all the details. Find this website. The like Commodore SSL certificate, Digress SSL certificate, Enter SSL certificate, GeoTrust certificate, Global SSL certificate, GoDaddy SSL certificates, and Cement SSL certificate, Thought SSL certificate. You can find the all articles this website. So this video, I want to end this video, and uh, okay, let me what is an UCC certificate? This uh, like okay, you can find this all article. Just stop this video.